25.8 pounds. Hey. Like, I mean, I could literally toss it. I think people are gonna really like this unit. Yeah, GP309. It's the Cricket LT. Yeah, the Cricket. We just kind of went away from, but yeah. Now they have the new Cricket LT. LT, what does LT stand for?
Light.
Light. What's the T?
The end of the light.
That's why you're smarter than I am, Louie. Just why I always tell people, if I can make it through this world, you can. All right, I'm excited. Hey, I'm Chris from Mobility Solutions, affordablemedicalusa.com. This has to be added to ultralightusa.com. This thing, new. 25.8 pounds, Louie. Like, look. Let's see if I can do it. And this is my bad shoulder. Wow. Hey. Like, I mean, I could literally toss it and catch it.
That is crazy.
25, watch it spin. Hold her up, hold it. It's an empty box. Hey, but I will say it's 25.8 pounds. It's crazy. I've cheated though. I've already unboxed this. We're gonna show you how to unbox this unit because it's super simple. Drop ship from us to you. I heard they're gonna go in back order. We have some in, have some coming. Let's just do a quick unboxing. Then we're gonna show you the unit. Cut it, be careful. Cutting the tape. I mean, don't be scared of unboxing because a lot of these units are already put together. Little bit that you have to do. These fold-up units are really simple to unbox. Now, I do want to point out something that's coming with is a 18 by 18 cushion. Let's confirm it. A little bit more than 18, about 18 across. Hey, memory foam. So out of all of the fold-up power wheelchairs that comes with a cushion that you can use, this one is the most comfortable cushion that I have seen. It is memory foam, 3 inches. It has a zipper, you can undo it. Hey, we'll come back to this cushion, Louie. Look, there's some cool things about this, and I don't know if you got to see my review over, was it 4 different power chairs? There's a cross fold in that power chair video. This is a cross fold that I think you're really gonna love. I love it, I like it, I've already seen it. There's a lot of things I'm looking for. One more thing down here when you pull it out. Save the box just in case. That's your battery. Look at that. Packaged very well. There's your charger. Good news is we already have one charged up, ready to go. So, real quick, let's just get everything out. Stay with me, guys. Discount code, I'll give you a major discount code on this. Give me a call. I think it's gonna be priced about $28.95. It's carbon fiber. It's 25.8 pounds, I believe, with the battery removed. This battery packs the Everrun lithium ion battery, TSA approved, 24 volt, 10 amp, 240 watts. It has the indicator on the battery, has the charging port right here. But guys, I hate these side batteries, these type of setups, but I'm going to tell you why I love this one. I'm so happy they did a great job with this. Again, charging port, charging tells you your battery life, really lightweight. Let's put that to the side because you do need to charge it before you use it. Let's open this up. Just plug that in. Plug this right into your prong. Put this on the charger. I'm going to show you. See the blue light? It means it's charging. Green means it's fully charged. Let's let that roll to green. That's all you got to do. Scott, where are you coming back from?
Where am I coming back from? We're doing a VTL evaluation.
Okay, perfect. eval, you need a VPL, need a stair lift, whatever it is. If you're local, give us a call. We'll come out and see you. If you're not, we'll help you go over some of the units that are out there. Sometimes we shoot at the front, sometimes we shoot at the back. It really just depends. All right, manual calf pad. We'll show you this later. Tells you to charge before you use it for 12 hours. Do it. Cup holder comes with it. Mesh. There's a lot of accessories Golden's given to you. Oops, sorry. Sit. Joystick. Just gonna unwrap this. Scissors, whatever. They kind of have it taped. Maybe a rubber band would be better. You're gonna love this unit. If you're looking for something extremely lightweight, hard surface travel, throw this in the back of the car. There's not even manual wheelchairs lighter than this. Manual wheelchairs are heavier than this. Trash. Take this off. You don't need it. Flip back arms. I just press the button. Flip this back. Trash. Right hand, left hand, doesn't matter. If you're left hand, you can change it. Now there's one thing I didn't see. We'll come back to that though. Seat belt comes with it. Need it, use it. If you don't need it, cut it off. Yeah, you'd have to cut it off, or you can keep it. Unfold it out. Just a push button. Flip back. Arms down. Arms up. This is your standard cushion, I guess, and it's not really a cushion, but let me explain this to you. Well, I'll explain it in the review. So let's just do the unboxing. This would be the front, I would think, because of the Velcro. See this flap? Footrest, footrest. All right, bottle holder. Back these out. See this right here? Back it out. Put it in, tighten it back. Tighten these every once in a while so they don't fall out. That's basically it, besides letting the battery charge up and putting the battery back in it, which I'll be right back. Charged up battery. It's in free wheel currently. Lock these motors. Look at this, man. I like this. Another spot to hold a battery. So if you need a spare battery, it goes right here. This is your calf pad. You might not use it, but how it would work is it would just go around like so if you need it. If you don't need it, just keep it in the back bag. It's got a back bag, Louis. A lot of these don't have it, some of them do. Put that in there. We will put our manual in there. There's serial numbers all over the place. There's serial numbers in your manual. There's serial numbers that can be found right on the foot plate. It might be in there some other places. Carbon fiber, super, super light. I mean, when I say it's light, that's with the battery in. It's light. I mean, it is light. Hello? Something's knocking at the door. Louis? Oh my, look. Lulu. 2 more crickets just showed up. Scratch the serial number. How these dealers, some of these dealers are on these YouTubes. They might take my serial numbers. Oh, and 2 GP130s. Love those chairs too. Louis in one. All right, let's get back inside. It's hot. Let's go do a review video, Louis.
Come back to our next video and Chris will go over this chair entirely. He'll discuss all of the great features as well as all the important specs. And as always, we'll follow that up with a ride test so you know what to expect when riding outside. On asphalt, in the grass, and even in steel slag.
You haven't subscribed yet? What are you waiting for? Hit the button.
We'll see you next time.
You gotta make me look good though. Does my hair look okay?